Good morning, guys. Okay, so today I got my V equals IR, and it's a current law. That's my funny thing for today. And so what I'm going to do now is I'm going to go over some of the math formulas that you would need on your test first. So pretty much everything is explanatory except the bottom one here. Is that the gravitational force between two masses is 36 newtons. What is the gravitational force if the distance between them is triple? And so you're going to take your gravity times your mass 1 times your mass 2 divided by Ri squared. Okay, so if you look back in your notes, you will see it. And guess what, guys? I found my timer. I'm so excited. Okay, and then once you get that, that gives you F1. And then what you're trying to find now is you're trying to find the gravitational force if the distance between them tripled. You need to do 1/9 times F1, which would be your F2. Okay, so really that's the only one you need for that one. For the next one, I'm giving you a hint on number 10. You're going to do square root of 4 because it says, how would the speed of the Earth's orbit around the sun change if the Earth's mass increased by 4 times? That's the square root of 4. So that's going to kind of give you the answer for that one. Everything else here, this one here, number 14, says a heavy bank vault door is open and an application of the force is 3.0 times 10 newtons. Directed perpendicular to the plane of the door at the distance of 0.80 meters. What is the hinge? Guess what? You're just going to take your force and you're going to multiply that by your distance. So we got that and we got that. Okay? And then let's see what the next thing is. And these are things I covered in class, thank God. And then the last one here, you have a 35-kilogram child, moves at a uniform circular motion while riding a horse on a carousel. The horse is 3.2 meters from the carousel's axis of rotation has been a tangible speed of 2.6 meters per second. What is the child's centripetal acceleration? Remember, AC is centripetal acceleration. You've got VT squared divided by R. I think you kind of got that one. What is the centripetal force of the child in item 23? So what it's doing here is now we have the centripetal acceleration. Now we're looking for the centripetal force. And then we are going to be using that formula for that question. And then, so you're going to do M, you're going to have M, which is the mass, right, times VT squared divided by radius. And then the last one is a force of 255 newtons. Needed to pull a nail from the wall using a clam hammer. If the resistance of the nail is 3,650 newtons, what is the mechanical advantage of the hammer? So the mechanical advantage is the force out divided by the force in. May I tell you, the best thing for you to do is go back to these beautiful notes that you have taken. Okay, and make sure that you use them when you're taking the test. Now, the test, guys, is deadline for tomorrow. And so this is what we decided when I was talking to the group on Tuesday, which I think was day before yesterday. We decided as a group that we were going to have a deadline for 2 days. So this is what's going to happen. After the 2 days, the deadline's going to be over, and then you have to submit your test. Then I can grade it. So if you did not get online, do that, then you will have to get a paper copy from me, and then you will have to copy it. Now, after those 2 days, I'm going to grade it, and then I'm going to send you a copy of my test, which is correct, and then you're going to go and do your corrections and then send me a picture for the corrections. So that means you'll turn it in and not turn it in. So what I'm going to do first is I'm going to go here. I'm going to close everything out. I'm going to go ahead and open this up if I can. Let me do this. So what I'm doing is I'm going to go here. And then I'm going to go to my McGraw-Hill, or that one. And I'm going to put my password in. And I just want to go on here really quick to let you know when you go in and you're taking your test. So I'm going to go and see if I can go and get into where I have assigned it for you. The test should show you, and it should say on there that it is due and when it is due. So it's going to show you that, and then what you're going to do, if I can find the assignment, because we haven't finished it out yet. So, view all assignments made, submit. Let me go back one, back again. And so right now it is due on the 3rd. It says right there 4/3/2020. And right now it looks like I don't have anybody that submitted it in yet. So that's good. So that means that you can use my video, which I'm hoping you're watching. And you can use this to kind of help you with your test. So submit your test by tonight. I think it's today sometime is when it's due. And then after that, then I will grade it tonight. I will send you back an email with the corrections. Those of you that didn't get it, you'll have to email me, or better yet, I'll know, and I'll put that online for y'all, and then you need to have that done by the end of the day. All right, guys? Have a blessed day.